With less than 10,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle offers power, spaciousness, and durability in a refined and innovative package. It features an automatic transmission, four-wheel drive, and a powerful 8-cylinder engine. It's equipped with tons of terrific amenities, but it won't break your budget. Like power windows, mirrors, and seats, automatic dimming door mirrors, heated and ventilated seats, and remote keyless entry. Power adjustable pedals allow the driver to optimize his or her driving position, enhancing visibility, comfort, and safety. You and your passengers will enjoy the stereo system, which includes a CD player and 19 speakers, yielding a symphony-like audio experience. Passenger security is always assured thanks to the various safety features such as front side impact airbags, a panic alarm, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. You'll never lose visibility with rain-sensing wipers, which activate automatically when the drops start to fall. It also arrives with a Carfax history report, indicating just one previous owner. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.